student will apply in NRI quota in that time only if their NEET PG rank is above 1 lakh. They have the paying capacity which NRI fees deserve, and if they are looking for clinical branch, upper clinical branch, definitely they should have all required document which NRI quota required. Karnataka State Counseling Round 1 result has been published. The student who are going to participate in NRI category, they are looking for informations what was the cutoff in round 1 for NRI category in different branches. The student who will be getting eligibility after round 2 and who will apply in NRI quota, this information is also relevant for them. I will tell you 4 things: branch, cutoff rank, which college the cutoff goes, and fees. So you will able to get an overall idea about that. So in this particular rank, in this college has got, and what is the fees there. So you will get an approximate budget idea for that. So let's start with the MD radiology. MD radiology round 1 cutoff 1,13,847 in NRI category. Which college it is? It is the JJM Davangere. JJM definitely a good college, but the fee is very high in NRI category. Fee is 1 crore per annum. So 3 years, 3 crore. MD dermatology 1,30,076. College name is Adi Chunchandgiri Medical College, Mandya. Fee 95 lakhs per annum. 1,30,000 the student has already got. So you can understand the student whose rank is even 1,50,000, 1,60,000, they also will be having a chance in Karnataka in NRI quota in further round. General medicine 1,32,632. College name is Vaidhi and fees 90 lakhs per annum. MD pediatrics 1,31,395. College name is BGS Global Medical College. Fees 80 lakhs per annum. OBG 1,11,936. College name is JJM Davangere and the fees 80 lakhs per annum. Student, you can see that all the colleges here, the last cutoff goes for different upper clinical branch. Till now I told you all are reputed college, whether it is JJM, Vaidhi, BGS Global, even Adi Chunchandgiri also. Next is MS Ortho. MS Ortho 1,14,833. Oxford Medical College, Bangalore. Oxford is in Bangalore only, and fees 60 lakhs per annum. General surgery 1,15,541. Again it is in Oxford and fee is 70 lakhs per annum. MS Ophtha 1,11,247. JJM Davangere fee is 60 lakhs per annum. MSCNT 93,947. College name is Adi Chunchandgiri Medical College. Fee is 42 lakhs per annum. Psychiatry 1,11,866. Vaidhi Medical College 75 lakhs per annum. Emergency medicine 1,08,912. KIMS Bangalore 40 lakhs per annum. Anesthesia 1,14,337. Adi Chunchandgiri 44 lakhs per annum. Student, here I will tell you few of the branch. For example, in emergency medicine, the student who has got emergency medicine in 1,08,000 in KIMS Bangalore, certainly it is a good allotment. Student should consider that. Second, anesthesia 1,14,000, Adi Chunchandgiri 44 lakhs. Considering the branch of anesthesia, this fees is also little high. Same in psychiatry also, if you consider 1,11,000, considering the branch 75 lakhs is little bit higher end. Now it is ENT 93,000, Adi Chunchandgiri 40 lakhs. It's certainly a good allotment and students should take it. MS Ophtha 1,11,247, JJM Davangere 60 lakhs is the fees. It is also fees is little bit in the upper side, but college wise it is very good college. So if the student is having the budget, definitely they should consider. General surgery, ortho, both the places I feel the student may get better options in MCC further round. other all the colleges which is there. College is also good. Now the student who will be looking for NRI quota, certainly they will apply in Karnataka, they will be applying in MCC also, they may apply in any other states also. So it is very important they should analyze which state they will be getting the best college, because they will be investing a big amount of money. It is not below 2 cr, and it could be till 3 cr, 2 to 3 cr. So it is important to know which state or which college the student will be getting the best options according to his required branch as per his NEET rank. Regarding that, if you are looking for guidance in NRI quota, in Karnataka State Counseling or MCC Counseling, you can contact us. The student who has not got eligibility till now, and if they are having the paying capacity, they have the NRI document, then it is a high time for them to join in our counseling services, because after round 2 the cutoff will be reduced and you will be having a very short time to manage all the process. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. If you are not yet subscribed, you subscribe this channel, because in this channel through the PG counseling we'll keep updating you all the important informations. If you are having any query regarding the counseling process, you can contact me in the number given. Thank you so much.